Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. My name is Dinkar and I welcome you all in this session. I hope everybody is doing great, feeling healthy and fine. Once again, welcome to the session of the important MCQs discussion with all of you. So you all know that we are running this series of previous year question paper. Under that, we will be showing you few questions, and under the few questions, we will be providing you the answer of that question, and we will be also letting you know like how the RBI keep asking the question or any of the competitive examination of regulatory body. So here we'll be giving you MCQs which are exactly being asked in the RBI examination. At the same time, we'll be providing the full explanation for that also. Okay, so we have already created various videos in that, and you have all gone through it. And if you haven't not gone through it, please go through it and even share this video with your friends, those who are in need, and just popularize this series from your end. Okay, so let's start with our session right now. So this is previous year question and explanation session, and today we'll be discussing the topic on FDI and FASTag. Okay, so first of all, we should know like how the questions are being asked over here. So they normally give you like in the concept, sometimes they give you in the paragraph form, sometimes they give you in the fill in the form. So two things are there: paragraph, or second is fill in the blanks. Okay, so these are the two ways in which the questions are being asked, and under the paragraph of fill in the blanks, you will be followed by 2-3 questions that will be asked, right? So now here there's a fill in the types of a question. So let's start with it. Currently, dash percentage of FDI is allowed in PSU banks under the government approval route. Private banks have the higher FDI cap at dash percentage provided there. Is no change of control and management. RBI regulation do not permit a single entity to invest more than 10% in the bank. Okay, so here you have to fill first of all regarding the PSU bank, then you have to fill regarding the private banks. Okay, then you have to fill like no single entity have a cap on that. How much is the cap on the single entity? Okay, so they have given you 25, 75, 10%, 10, 75, 24%, 10, 80, 25%. So if you don't know the percentage, then this question will be totally gone out of hand because the percentages are very, very close. So this question related to FDI is very important. Why? Because right now government has already opened various sectors, and each and every sector is getting good amount of FDI inflow from various places. So you should exactly know like banks are very, very important, which are very important for the economy. So here FDI limit you should know. So let's see the answer. The answer of this question is 5. Okay, answer of the question is 5th. This currently 20% of the FDI is allowed in the government sector. 74% is allowed in the private sector bank, and 10 is the maximum single entity can permit. Okay, 10% of FDI from a single entity. Like if we have 3 banks, if we have 3 entities are there. Okay, if we have 3 entity are there, so 1, 2 and 3, so each of them can only be allowed 10% to take any stake in any of the bank. Okay, only 10%. No entity can take more than 10% of the stake. Okay, so this is regarding this question. Now 20% FDI is allowed in the PSU sector under government approval route, because you have to take the approval from the government, and then only you will be able to invest in any of the PSU bank up to 20%. Okay, now private bank have the highest FDI capacity, higher FDI of 74% under the automatic route. Here you do not require any kind of approval from the government. Okay, and just they have to check that there is no change of control and management. Okay, and no single entity is allowed to hold more than 10% of the total capital deployed in the bank. Okay, so here we have given some limit. So bank public sector 20%, bank private sector 74%, so 49% automatic route. And above 49 to 74, you have to take approval of the government. Okay, just make sure that 49% automatic. Okay, and above 49 up to 74% you have to take approval from the government. Then insurance sector 74% automatic route. Asset reconstruction company ARC 100% automatic route. Credit information company CIC 100% automatic. White label ATMs 100% automatic, and pension sector 49% automatic. Okay, above these percentage, like for the pension sector above 49% you have to take the approval from the government. Okay, now the next question. Dash has developed the Dash program to meet the electronic tolling requirement of the Indian market. It offers an interoperable nationwide toll payment solution, including clearinghouse service for the settlement and dispute management. Interoperability, as it applies to Dash system, encompasses a common set of processes, businesses, rule and technical specification which enable the customer to use their Dash as payment mode on any of the toll plaza, irrespective of who has acquired the toll plaza. Okay, so here A, what is coming in the A, B, what is coming in the B, and C, what is coming in the C. So if you can see over here, two places B you have to fill. Okay, so it is all related to toll collection in the toll plaza. So automatically in your mind the thing should come, what it has to be related, what exactly in the toll plaza, how this electronic toll plaza coming. So FASTag automatically everybody comes to know, right? Everybody knows that. So the question is that the paragraph is talking about the Dash system and Dash account. What is the system that is utilized and what is that account that is called as? It is called as NFS and FASTag, or NETC and FASTag, or it is called NHAI and FASTag, or NTPC as FASTags. So NTPC, as the name suggests, cannot be the answer, right? Sorry, I've shown the answer. So this option is ruled out. Now you have left with three options. So the answer of this is 2. NE, NETC and FASTag. Okay. Now, NETC and FASTag is the answer. Now, which organization has introduced B? Which organization has introduced B? B means NETC. NETC. Which organization has introduced NETC? So you have option of NHAI, NTPC, NPCI, or Government of India, or none of the above. Which organization has introduced B? That is NETC. So the answer of this question is 3. That is NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India Limited. Okay. So we will be studying what is NPCI. NPCI is National Payment Corporation of India. Everybody knows that. They have developed a program that is called NETC, National Electronic Toll Collection Program. The purpose is that they will be helping in electronic tolling requirement, electronic toll collection. So this is throughout the country, it is valid, and it is offers a interoperable nationwide toll payment solution. Okay, proper clearing house service it will be providing. So it is all these things, tolling, all these things is connected to a single network. Proper clearing houses, settlement and disputes management, all is going through this. Okay, so interoperability as applied, national electronic toll collection have a common set of processes, business rules and technical specifications. So from everywhere, so wherever you go, if you have a FASTag, so all the processes, all the rules, all the technical specification remain the same wherever you go throughout the country. Okay, so with this, anybody who is having the FASTag can go to any part of the country. They don't have to face any kind of hassle because FASTag is same as everywhere, and you can go to any of the toll plaza and the money will be deducted from your FASTag, so you don't have to pay anything other than that. Okay, so FASTag utilizes the technology that is called radio frequency identification, RFID. Okay, so when your vehicle is in motion, okay, so here if it is your vehicle like this, okay, I'm very bad at drawing. So here on the top one radar machine will be there. It just scan your it will scan your RFID, that is your FASTag barcode, and automatically it will be enhanced and the gate will be open for you. Okay. So always on the top of the toll plaza, these barcode machines are there just above your car. Okay, so the toll screen will be like your FASTag will be on the windscreen, and it enables the customer to pay directly to the account which is linked to FASTag. Okay. Now, what is FASTag? So, okay. So first of all, you should know FASTag works on RFID technology, radio frequency identification, right? So this radio frequency identification has been linked to the barcode, has been linked to your saving or the current account, that is of the FASTag account, right? So your FASTag has to be charged whenever it is going out of money, right? So the way you charge your phone, the way you charge any of the thing, the way you charge your TV, similarly the FASTag has to be charged in a similar way. Okay. So here the customer just buy the FASTag from any of the NETC member banks. So there are few NETC member banks are there. From their name, you will be able to buy the FASTag. Okay. And if your FASTag is linked to the prepaid account, then it has to be recharged and top up, right? And this FASTag cannot be transferred to any other vehicle. Okay, the FASTag cannot be transferred to any other vehicle like that. Okay, and if you do not have proper balance, the FASTag of your gets blacklisted, and customer has to go through a toll plaza without recharging. He will not be available to the NETC services, and they have to pay the full toll. They have to pay full toll. Sometimes they have to pay double the toll amount as a penalty. So that is why, first of all, this FASTag is very, very important because it has created a kind of easygoing traffic throughout the country. Because earlier there was a lot of like cars are lined up in the toll naka for the payment of the money and all the things. Right now the car comes, scan and goes like that. So there is very, very less time it requires. At the same time, it saves the fuel also and time also, right? So NPCI is a very important organization for retail payment settlement in our country. So this whole concept NPCI is an initiative of the Reserve Bank of India and Indian Banker Association. The main thing is that they are work under the Payment and Settlement Act of 2007, and the NPCI has been especially been created for proper payment for proper payment and solution networks, right? So NPCI is a non-for-profit company. Since it is a company, so it has been set up under the Section 25 of the Companies Act. Okay. So the main thing is that they provide good infrastructure to the. So they provide a very good like infrastructure to the entire banking system and very important electronic payment and settlement system throughout the country. Okay, so for this whole purpose, for creation of this FASTag, so 10 core promoters has been taken. Okay, State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank of India, ICICI Bank, SDFC Bank, City Bank, HSBC banks are there. So total 10 core banks are there which are working for development of the FASTags. Okay, so along with that, there is a broad base to 56 member banks are there, and there will be more representing the banks that will be coming. Okay, so RBI were inducted consisting of payment service operators, small finance banks. So slowly they will be also being put up under that. So for this whole concept of FASTag, you should know regarding NETC, NPCI. This much you should know. Who has produced this technology? NPCI has produced. What technology they have produced? It is called as NETC, that is called as National Electronic Toll Collection, NETC, and this is very, very important. And FASTag is utilizing what technology? Radio frequency identification. This much only you have to remember for this. Okay, so this is all for today, guys. So thank you so much. I'll be seeing you in the next video with more concepts. So till then, bye bye, take care and have a nice day.